Today we're doing a stuffed churro cookie, stuffed with the cream cheese frosting. The business is Covet Cookies, and it started about, I want to say, a year and a half ago, somewhere in like January, February. I love to bake. One day I was like really hungry and I wanted to make some cookies. So I made some cookies. I had extras and I brought some to my friends. And they were like, "Philip, this is really good." And I was like, "Thank you." And they were like, "You should sell it." And I was like, "That's crazy. Like, I don't have the time to sell all these cookies, and like, we're really trying to focus on sports and school." And then third time around, I brought some cookies and my friend was like, "Philip, I have to buy this." And I was like, "I don't know." And then he was like, "Please let me buy it." And I was like, "All right." So I sold my very first cookie to Aaron Quintero. It's my very first customer. Started from there, and then I made new flavors. And when summer came, that's when I was like, man, I'm not selling at school. Where else can I sell it? And I called a couple farmers markets. I had my very first farmers market at the Sound. I think the moment when I knew that it started getting more traction, I'd say, is when the principal, she had called me over, Dr. Ballerine. She had called me into her office, and I was a little scared because I usually don't get called into the office. She sat me down in her office. She was like, "Philip, I've heard about your cookies." And I was instantly like, crap. She's gonna shut me down. She's gonna be like, "You can't sell them no more." And I was like, I had a good run. And then she was like, "Teacher Appreciation Week is coming up, and I want you to make a batch of cookies for our teachers." And I was like, whew, right? I was so relieved. And then I was like so happy, oh my goodness, about to make cookies for the teachers. Right now, I am actually not taking in orders. I'm working on new recipes for the fall selection that I have coming out. But my day-to-day, if I were taking orders, a normal order, I'd wake up around 6, somewhere around 6, and I'd start baking, bake for 10, 12 hours straight. And then I would take a break, I would do frosting, and then I would frost the next day, boxing them all up. Boxing takes 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours, 3 hours. I gotta be thorough, right? I have to make sure I have all the right cookies, write down the name, box it, double check. But because I just gotta be careful, I want my customer to have the best experience, so I gotta put time into every process. And then next day, frosting and finishing, so toppings. So that'd be Sunday. And then I would try and get all the orders out Monday. So if you really have an idea, if you really want to try something or start something, do it now. Do it as soon as you can. Don't overthink it and just take that risk.
It's like if I had a gel and it was really soft and then I just bit into it.